According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, what happens to time as an object approaches the speed of light? Letter A. Time speeds up. Letter B. Time slows down. Letter C. Time stops completely. Letter D. Time remains constant. Which concept from general relativity explains the bending of light around a massive object? Letter A. Time dilation. Letter B. Length contraction. Letter C. Gravitational lensing. Letter D. Inertial reference frames. Why can't any object with mass reach the speed of light? Letter A. It would disappear. Letter B. Its length would become infinite. Letter C. It would require infinite energy. Letter D. It would stop aging completely. Which of the following is true according to special relativity? Letter A. Mass increases with speed. Letter B. Gravity affects only objects at rest. Letter C. The speed of light changes in different frames. Letter D. Time is absolute for all observers. If an astronaut travels near the speed of light and returns to Earth, how will their age compare to someone who stayed on Earth? Letter A. They will be older. Letter B. They will have aged the same. Letter C. They will be younger. Letter D. They will not have aged at all. A spaceship moves at 0.8 c relative to Earth. What is the approximate Lorentz factor, gamma? Letter A. 1.00. Letter B. 1.25. Letter C. 1.67. Letter D. 2.50. If a clock on Earth measures 10 seconds, how much time does an astronaut moving at 0.6 c experience? Letter A. 10 seconds. Letter B. 8 seconds. Letter C. 6 seconds. Letter D. 4 seconds. An object is 5 meters long at rest if it moves at 0.6 c. What is its length as observed from Earth? Letter A. 5.0 meters. Letter B. 4.0 meters. Letter C. 3.5 meters. Letter D. 3.0 meters. Which equation gives the Lorentz factor, gamma, used in time dilation and length contraction? Letter A. Gamma equals 1 square root 1 plus v squared c squared. Letter B. Gamma equals 1 minus v c. Letter C. Gamma equals square root 1 minus v squared c squared. Letter D. Gamma equals 1 square root 1 minus v squared c squared. If a spacecraft travels at 0.9 c and a journey takes 10 years from Earth's perspective, how long does it feel for the astronauts on board? Letter A. 10 years. Letter B. 6.0 years. Letter C. 4.4 years. Letter D. 2.2 years. Comment your answers below.